Hello guys, welcome to Valr Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can make money with Valr Crypto Exchange step by step. So it doesn't really matter whether you're a beginner or advanced crypto trader. But by the end of this video, you're going to know how exactly you are going to make money with Valr Crypto Exchange and make passive income every day. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So we already know that Valr Crypto Exchange is a local crypto exchange that we use to buy and sell cryptocurrencies here in South Africa, but doesn't really matter whether you can be anywhere else in the world. As long as Valr Crypto Exchange supports your country, then you're good to go. But the first thing first you need to do is to create an account, and the link is going to be in the description below as well. Once you create an account, you're going to have to find your account, and to do that, it's very easy. You can either deposit using bank transfer or send crypto straight to your Valr wallet. So right here you can see that this is a Valr Crypto Exchange dashboard, and it's very easy to use. If you want to deposit some crypto, you can simply click where it's written deposit funds, and it's going to take you to this page whereby you're going to be able to select whether you want to deposit fiat currency or some cryptocurrency. So let's say if you want to deposit some fiat currency, all you have to do is to click where it's written fiat and choose your preferred fiat currency. So right now I'm in South Africa, that's why it's written South African rand right here. So they have two options right here. You can either deposit using via card or do some EFTs, you know what I mean? So basically these are all the banking details that you have to use if you want to deposit some cash to your Valr wallet using bank transfer, and you could have to do EFT. But if you want to deposit via card, you can also do the same. Just put the amount and finish up your payment. But once you find your account, it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna have some South African rand in your wallet. And right here you can see that I've got approximately 3,489, and this is the amount that I'm willing to use in this video and show you how exactly you are going to make money on Valr Crypto Exchange. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You are really helping the channel as we are growing every day. But once you find your Valr account, you have two options right here. You can either use this tab where it's written buy and sell, and this is a simple tab. But then if you use this tab, you're gonna have to pay fees because you're gonna be taking from the market. You're gonna be a taker. So if you're a taker, you pay some amount for transaction fees, and it's kind of like expensive. But the trick is you're gonna have to use buy and sell dashboard. So I will show you how exactly you can do that, but I'm also gonna show you my secret method that I use when I'm trading on Valr and make passive income every day. Because like I started this account with 1,000 rand, and right now it's sitting at 3,000 rand, and I'm gonna show you how exactly I do that step by step. So for you to save a lot of money for transaction fees and to apply a strategy that I'm going to show you in this video, you're gonna have to go to where it's written pro trading and click right there, and it's going to show you a bunch of coins that you can trade on Valr Crypto Exchange. So for example, let's say we want to trade BTC to ZAR or BTC to USDT. You can simply click it like this, and it's going to take you to a trading dashboard where you can be able to see the prices, and this is where exactly you can be able to buy and sell. So right here you can see that this is Bitcoin charts, and right here I've got approximately 3,489 rand, and this amount that I'm going to use in this video. Right here you can see all the balances that I have, and it's also written right here, and you can see the order history and stuff like that. So if you don't know how to trade on Valr Crypto Exchange, I made a full tutorial showing you how exactly you can trade step by step using Valr Crypto Exchange. But in this video, we're just gonna go straight right, and I'm gonna show you the trick. So this is the price of Bitcoin, and you can see that Bitcoin is very volatile, right? You don't know when exactly you should be buying, and you don't know when exactly you should be selling. So what I do is I go to Bitcoin chart, and I'm using heavy crypto indicator. So this indicator tells me when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. If I turn it off like this, you can see that it's just going to show me a negative chart, and I don't know when exactly I should be buying and when exactly I should be selling. So the whole point of spot trading is you need to buy low and sell high. You know what I mean? You need to buy at low price, like let's say right here, you buy right here, and you sell at higher price right here and make profit. So that's the whole point of spot trading. So how do you do that? You use TradingView, and On TradingView, you're going to have to apply heavy crypto indicator, and this indicator is going to tell you when exactly you should be buying and when exactly you should be selling. So for example, when I get a buy signal like this, the price goes up. For example, right here I got this buying signal and the price went up by 3%, and right here I got sell signal, the price dumped a little bit. You can see this is approximately like 1% or something like that. And right here I got another buy signal, it went up, and right here I got a sell signal, it went down, and you know, this was like 7% move to the up to the downside. So you can see that these signals come like in real time, and these signals is going to help you throughout all your trading career to enter into the market or to buy Bitcoin at the right time. And when it says sell, you have to sell at the right time as well. So you can set an alert to tell you when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. And by using this method, it's going to help you out to grow your account. So I started this account with approximately 1,000 rand, and right now it's sitting at 3,400. So I'm only repeating the same strategy and it's working right now, and this is exactly how I do it. So right here you can see that I've got a buying signal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and buy some BTC right now. So we'll put 100% and put 100% and press an order. So my order is gonna go into the order book and it's gonna get filled, and once it gets filled, you know, I'm gonna be happy because you know I will make profit and I'll sell when I get another selling signal up here. So I'm expecting approximately like 4% move to the upside. So by using this and by being consistent, you're gonna be making, you know, a lot of profits by the end of the day. And this is not futures trading or derivatives. You're not really taking, you know, a lot of risk by simply doing spot trading. So if you want to get the indicator, all you have to do is to click the link in the description below or go to heavycryptouniversity.online. And at heavycryptouniversity.online, you're going to find indicator right here. It's called Heavy Crypto Indicator, and it comes with our other indicators that will help you to build out your portfolio and stuff like that. And this is how exactly we make money with crypto in 2024 by simply using spot trading. And if you want to take this trading game to another level, I recommend you check out Heavy Crypto Academy. Just click it like this, and right now it's on the discount and it's not going to cost you a lot, and you're going to learn pretty much anything when it comes to cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So this indicator that I use when it comes to spot trading, it simply tells me when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're helping the channel. But if you want to take this trading game to another level, then check out Heavy Crypto Indicator, and it's gonna help you out throughout your trading career. So if you want to contact me, all the links gonna be in the description below as well as my Instagram. So therefore, I'll send to the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.